and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a very exciting video. Well, I think it's exciting because today I am going to be doing a little unboxing of a piece of equipment, paranormal equipment, that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I finally bought it. So yes, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a SP7 spirit box. So if you don't know what a spirit box is, basically it is a paranormal equipment device, and you can theoretically speak to spirits through it. Like, it'll run through radio stations really quickly, and it is meant to, you know, help spirits communicate and talk with you through it. So I have been wanting one of these for a very long time, and the reason why I haven't bought one up until now is because they are quite expensive. If you guys didn't know, paranormal equipment in general is expensive. The stuff that you see on the paranormal YouTube channels and stuff like that, it is a lot of money. So I got this one on Amazon, as you can see, but it is from Ghost Stop, I believe, which Ghost Stop I think is one of the legit websites where you can get all of the different kinds of paranormal equipment. But I got this on Amazon because I was able to get the spirit box on Amazon. So I decided to just do it because I was like, I've been wanting to do this for so long now, to have my own paranormal equipment, and this is just the start of that. So I'm very excited, and so I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. As you can see, it's still in the Amazon box. I haven't looked at it at all. It came yesterday and I haven't seen it at all. So I'm very excited to open it, and after I open it I'm gonna do a little experiment with it. And I have some friends here, as you may see. So I have these guys here with me. So this, if you guys don't know who this is, so this is Marsha. She was my quote-unquote haunted doll that I got from Etsy. If you guys remember back when I used to post on my paranormal channel, I got her for that. So she is supposedly a haunted doll, and I say supposedly because I've never had anything happen with her, you know, paranormal wise. So I really don't think that she is haunted, but you never know. She's a creepy looking doll, and I don't really know her backstory at all, so you never know. She might have something attached to it, and I just haven't been able to communicate with her. And now that I've got the spirit box, maybe we'll finally be able to get some answers from her. So I have brought her out of retirement, and yeah, hopefully we'll get something with her. And then I have this guy. So this is from a haunted mystery box that I got from Etsy, from Bruised Black Vintage, I believe. So if you guys know Becky Ann Galantine on Instagram, she does these amazing haunted mystery boxes, and she just released a new one where it was a funeral box or something like that, haunted funeral box, and I was like, oh, that looks really, really cool. But they are quite expensive, so I didn't, you know, get one. But this is from the one that I opened, was it last year that I got this? I can't really remember. Maybe it was last year that I got it, or maybe 2024, I don't really remember. But this guy was in it. It's just like a baby doll head, and it's really creepy looking, and it's also shedding as well. So it is very old, and yeah, that's the eyes. Can you guys hear that? That's the eyes moving. So it is very creepy looking and very old, and again, I don't really know where this guy came from. So yeah, who knows if there's something attached to it or not. So again, I brought him out of retirement, so maybe we can, you know, try and communicate if there's anything attached to this guy here. So yeah, I have brought these two dolls out, so we will be doing that at the end of this video after the unboxing. I also have another piece of paranormal equipment with me, just in case. I've just got cat ball with me. If you guys don't know what these are literally cat balls, cat toys. You turn it on and it lights up like that, and these are only motion sensor activated, so they literally have to be touched to light up. So I have that as well. So yeah, I am super excited. So I'm gonna get this box open and then after that we'll do a little investigating. So I cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun. Now I know, I'm pretty sure these spirit boxes run on batteries, so I really hope I have the right batteries for it, because I've only got AA's, and knowing my luck it'll probably be AAA's. So I don't know if I have any AAA's or not, but we shall see. So I guess I won't know unless I open it, you know. So I have my batteries down here with me, so hopefully it is AA's, so fingers crossed. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna start a new clip and then we will get started and do a little unboxing. Oh, I'm so excited. Alrighty, so I've got my handy dandy package opener thing, which is also from Amazon. Would recommend these, they're really good. Alright, let's open this up. So excited. I also realized I didn't mention the price of this. This was $166, I believe, but I did get free shipping because I got it on Amazon. So yeah, it was quite pricey, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So I'm very excited. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, here it is. Alright, we don't need the box anymore. Put you away. Okay. I've also wanted to get one of these for a long time because I want to do more paranormal videos. You guys know I love like anything to do with the paranormal, so I've been on a couple of investigations, as you guys know. So now that I have this, hopefully I'll be able to do some more investigations in the future. Oh, I'm so excited. Alrighty, cool. So here it is. It is quite small. The P-SB7 spirit box. Here it is. Alright, how do I open this box? Like this? Okay. Ooh, look at it. Ooh, it's very light. Much lighter than I thought it would be. What is this? Is this a little case? Oh, that's cool. It comes with a little protective case. Love that. Alright, let's see. Okay, batteries. Oh, they are AAA. I knew it would be AAA from the size. I was like, I know this is going to be AAA. Damn it. Okay. I'm going to have to go and find some AAA batteries. I'm pretty sure I've got some somewhere, but I don't know how old they are, so I don't know. But here it is. This is what it looks like for those who haven't seen a spirit box before. Oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, you choose like AM and FM. I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty easy to use. And then, oh, this is like a little stand. Yeah, it's like a little stand. Cool. So yeah, that is really cool. So let's see. I think the instructions were in here. I mean, I feel like it's going to be pretty straightforward, but yeah, there are instructions in here. And I think it also, I think this little, you guys see this little bit up here? I think it's also like got a temperature thing on it, so you know if it's like the temperature's changing. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Yeah, integrated temperature measurement display. So I'm pretty sure that's that little light thing at the top. And then this is the antenna. I'm trying to be careful with it. Yeah, so that's the antenna to get like good signal, I guess. Cool, I love that so much. Oh, I'm so excited to test this out. And then this is the little case that it comes with. So that's good. I'm glad that it comes with a little protective case. So yeah, that's the little case that it comes with. Cool. Alright, so now hopefully I can find some AAA batteries. I just knew that was going to be my luck, that it would be a AAA thing because of the size. So yeah, hopefully I can find some. I'm pretty sure I have some somewhere, but I'm just not too sure. So I'm I'm gonna clean this mess up and then, yeah, go upstairs and see if I've got any AAA batteries. So I will be right back. Alright, so I found some AAA batteries, but they were like at the bottom of a drawer, you know, so who knows if they actually work. I'm probably gonna have to buy some new ones. I did get this is like a big pack of AA's I got on Amazon, so I'm sure I can get some of AAA's on there as well. So I mainly have this because of, you know, my decorations. So yeah, I think I'll have to go and buy some. So hopefully these work. Okay, so that goes that way, and then you go that way, and then you go that way. If I can get you in. Come on. There we go. Alright, cool. And I love that it's just like, you don't need any screws or anything, so that's good. Alright, so let's test it out. Do I need instructions? Probably. But I feel like I've seen, sorry, that's just the cat ball rolling around. I feel like I've seen enough YouTubers use this to kind of like know how to use it, you know? So, are you gonna stay still? Right, turn you on. And we'll have these guys in frame. And I'll try like not to touch it. Okay, put you guys back. Alright, I really hope this works. Turn on. Oh, it's on. Okay, let's do sweep rate. Okay, sweep. Alrighty. Let's do sweep forward or sweep right. Hello? So I have it on AM. Do I do sweep rev? Okay, let me have a little look at the instructions. That would be a good... okay. AM, FM. Page 16. Okay, sweep forward. Press the sweep forward button for 3 seconds to begin the sequential sweep of all frequencies. Okay. Need to hold it down. There it goes. Hi. Okay, sweep rev. Let's turn the volume up so you guys can hear it. So that's it. Sorry, that was me. That's how it sounds. Maybe I need to put that up. Sweep rev button, or sweep forward button to quickly select an individual frequency. Alright. Cool. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. If you guys have never heard a spirit box before. Cool. Alright, let's do like a little investigation. Hello? Is there anyone connected to these two dolls here? What is your name? Can you tell me your name? Oh, I think that's me. Sorry. I think that was me. I'm pretty sure. Because I leaned on it. Marsha, are you here? This is Marsha, by the way. I don't know what this guy's name is. Marsha was the name the Etsy owner gave me. Is this doll's name really Marsha? What is the name of this doll? Marsha, where did you come from? That's not me, is it? I don't think so. Marsha, how old are you? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put my phone on airplane mode so it doesn't interfere. Are there any spirits here that would like to communicate? Oh, hello. Marsha, are you here with us? Marsha, how did you die? Do you know my name? How old am I? What year is it for you? If there are any spirits connected to these dolls, can you tell me? Can you say yes? Is there anyone connected to these two dolls here? Can you say yes? What is this doll's name? I would like to know more about this doll and where it came from. If you're here, are you able to make this ball light up? All you have to do is touch it, it won't hurt you. I can show you. You just have to touch it like that, and it will light up pretty colors. let me just ask. How are you today? Did I say great? I thought I heard great. That's good. You having a good day so far? Do you know what day it is today?
If you adjust.
You adjust. If you could please just say a loud and clear hi, that would make my day. Like a hi or a hello. Make it very clear. Please. Well, if you don't have anything to say, I'm gonna say goodbye. Might try and change the... This is FM. Maybe let's try this out. So I've got it on FM now. Is this a bit easier for you to communicate? Or is the AM easier? Is this doll really haunted? Are either of these dolls haunted? I feel like we were having better luck on the AM. Right. Hi, did you guys hear that? Hi. How are you? Marsha, was that you? I don't know if that was me. Is that you, Marsha? I'm not touching anything, but it could have been me. Hi. I'm just testing this item out to talk to you guys. So hopefully maybe we can have some more chats later. I just wanted to test this out. Oh, hello. If you guys have any last words, say them now.
And I'm taking close. Museum.
I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna turn this off to say your goodbyes. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. Talk to you another time. Alright, bye. Turn off. Okay. I was like, why isn't it turning off? Alright, so that was pretty cool. The cat ball did go off a couple times, but I wasn't sure if it was me or not, because I am quite close to the table, you know, and I feel like any kind of vibrations will set this thing off. Like, I feel like if I just do this, well, I feel like I have to be like quite like heavy. Yeah, like I feel like anything, it will set it off. So I don't know if that was actually someone doing those. I feel like a couple of them were definitely me, but I don't know, that was really cool. This was a really cool device. I am obsessed with this, and I definitely heard like some things, but I'm definitely gonna have to go back and check. I'm gonna turn this off and point the camera back to me. Hello. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go back and check in editing to see if I actually call anything, because it is hard to hear in the moment because it is quite loud. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and see what I call, or if I call anything. But I definitely heard a couple of things. Let me know in the comments below if you guys heard anything that I missed. And yeah, I cannot wait to test this out more on location. And yeah, I am just super excited to finally own one of these. And yeah, it's just crazy to think that I have one of these now, because I've wanted one for so long, and here it is, I finally have it. So I am very happy with that. So yeah, that was just like a little test to see. I mean, I knew how it worked, but some of you might not know how they work, and yeah, that's how they work. They go through radio frequencies really quick, and apparently spirits are able to talk through that. So that is what a spirit box is. So yeah, that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to test this out more, and yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. So yeah, I'm very happy that I finally have it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon for another one. All right, bye guys.